So I've done the other side, and I've also trimmed around the edges, so it's nice and neat. The next thing I want to do is take one top piece, one outside piece, and one lining piece, and my zipper, and I'm going to create a little zipper sandwich. What you want to do is put your lining with the right side up. My lining does have a right side and a wrong side, but it's a little bit harder to see. But if you've got a printed fabric, then you would put it with the printed fabric up. Place your zipper also with the right sides up. Now I'm taking my main fabric and I'm placing it with the right side down. So the zipper is sandwiched in between the lining and the main fabric, and they are facing each other, the good sides of both lining and main fabric. You want to align the top edges. Now again, if you have a zipper that is longer, you can actually, to make it easier to sew, you can actually go and extend this piece beyond. If your zipper is the same length as your pouch, you would line up the edges right like this, or if it's shorter, you would put it right in the middle. And I'm going to start sewing down from this end. So I'm lining up the top edges of the lining, zipper and main side, and also the sides of the lining and the main fabric. Keep pinning along. Once you've pinned it, you're ready to go and sew in your zip. Remove your normal foot and insert your zipper foot instead. Insert the zipper and the material under your zipper foot, with the edge quite flush to the zipper. And you're ready to go. Stitch forward, back stitch a couple, and take out your pins as you go. Now if your stitch length is still set on the longest stitch length, you would want to move it back to normal. So I've got 2.2 here, which is my regular stitch length. Keep sewing along, and you will find that your zipper foot will guide you quite nicely along the edge. Now if your zipper was shorter, what you would need to do is, you would most probably have the zipper pull around here, is put your needle down, lift your foot, turn your zipper around and open the foot, or open the zipper pull to get it out of the way, because you can't really sew closely to your zipper while you've got the zipper pull in the way. However, our zipper is longer, so we can deal with that a little bit later. Making sure that it doesn't shift and it's still aligned at the top. Backstitch when you get to the end. Put your needle up, and you can take it out and cut your thread on both sides. Now when I'm looking at the right side, I can see that I've already got 1/2 of my pouch sewn with the zipper opening. So now I want to do exactly the same on the other side. So you can see how the right side of my fabric has the zipper pull, up at the top. Take your second lining and main fabric piece. Again, you want to put your lining piece with the right side facing up. Again, you want to take your zipper and put it with the right side facing up, so with the zipper pull facing up. And aligning it with the edge of the zipper tape facing the edge of your lining fabric. Then taking your main fabric and facing it right side down. And again aligning the edge of your zipper tape with the edge of your main and lining fabric. Insert your piece under your zipper foot. Take out your pin. And again, do a couple of stitches first. Back stitch to the end. And then sew close to your zipper. You might find the wadding wants to fight with it a little bit and push it out of the way. So you just want to be firm and not let it. If you find your fabric slipped a little bit, put your needle down, lift your presser foot, and put the fabric back where it belongs. So all the way to the end. Again, with the wadding, the machine might have a hard time getting it under there, so you just have to adjust it and fix it as you go. Back stitch at the end, take your needle up, and your zipper is ready and sewn in.